Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ngingani amakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. Today is a Friday, and I just want to touch on Amakhosi spirit and also Inzuza, because people are like confused. People are still asking questions to say, how do you differentiate between a spirit Samakhosi and the spirit Inzuza? Now in them for ni understand. When you have a spirit say Inzuza or Inzunza, you come from a royal background. Uphuma ebukhosini. Like I said in my previous video, you might not see it with the people that you with in your family, but your ancestors, the bloodline uphuma kuyona eyasebukhosini. So if you have umoya weinzunza, that means that you are from the royal wasebukhosini. Understand that. So uma unenzuza nomoya wasebukhosini, when we talk about ubukhosi, we are talking about kingship, kingdom. Masikhuluma ngokuthi ubukhosi, sikhuluma kings and queens. That's what should come to your mind. And then masikhuluma ngeinzuza or inzunza, we are talking about the highest spirit esiqubuke emanzini. And sometimes we normally call the spirit inkosazana yamanzi. And I mean more inkosazana, that means you discerned from ebukhosini. So inzuza and Amakhosi spirit, it's literally one thing. So uma unengilosi or une spirit senzuza unomoya wenzunza, it means you are from ebukhosini. It means your bloodline, your ancestors uphuma ebukhosini, because of it's only people who are ebukhosini who normally have this gift yobunzuza. And imfihlakalo yona ephuma phambili, imfihlakalo kabani kamveli nqani, because of nawo amakhosi khuleka kuyena umveli nqani. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Uyangizwa ukuthi so stop being confused, because you'll find out ukuthi unomoya wenzunza. That means uphuma ebukhosini, you are walking with the highest spirit, and this highest spirit is in control of these other water spirits that are living in the water. So yonke into yakho iyimfihlakalo. Yes, you can have other channels telling you, teaching you about this Amakhosi spirit, but one thing you have to know is that everything is shown to you. Number two, uzohamba you consult, you go and consult, but you will normally not get answers, the answers that you expect, because of ingilosi, spirit ohamba naso sinamandla, and you get to spaces abantu bakutshela ukuthi uyabasinda. It is because of lo moya omkhulu omuhle ohamba nawo. You are someone that is not confused. You are someone that is told about their life. Uhlengiwe mohamba naloyo moya lowo. Everything is told to you, and there's no rush. Umuhamba naso lesi spirit, you can enjoy your childhood life, go to school, and izinto zakho zikhambele kahle, and discover later on in life that uhamba nespirit samakhosi. It happens. But when you reflect back on your journey, you'll see that man kudala amakhosi ahamba nami, kudala, because of the experiences, the opportunities that you will get. You are someone who's humble. You are someone othandekayo, who's so lovable. You are very much special. And abantu abahamba namakhosi, abantu abahamba ne-Inzuza, akusabantu abalokolo bafunisela ngeimpilo zabo, because of you will go. The spirit, impilo yakho iyimfihlakalo. Everything is hidden. And you're the only one who's supposed to know. So the more you grow, the more you discover yourself in this journey, the more bakwambulela, the more bakufundisa bona ngendlela yabo abayenza ngabo. They are very patient, they are very loving and understanding, and bayakwazi ukuthi awunayo umunye umuntu ozokufundisa. But when they come to you, they want you also to apply everything that you are shown. Talk to them, because of nabo mabakhuluma nawe, they will talk to you. So it's a beautiful relationship, a beautiful connection. There's no rush. Go to rush manje, go to no. They still need to work on you, your inner you. And another thing, because of masikhuluma ngamakhosi, sikhuluma kingdom, sikhuluma kings and queens. Lo moya usondelane kakhulu nomveli nqangi. Hence I'm saying when impilo yakho iyimfihlakalo, but at the same time, you, the person who's walking this journey, you know exactly what's supposed to happen. And imagine if inkosi dala, we had so much information about you. Imagine if people had information about you. Don't you think that you'll be under attack because of the information about you? Let's say amandla wakho bewe exposed, yonke into yakho was put out there. I'll just make an example. The clients that I normally have, some of them, banomoya omkhulu. They are working with these high spirits. Zona inzunza, inkosazana yamanzi. Ngiyamtshela ke umuntu mina mangabe ngihlangana naye ukuthi cha, and nami ngisuke ngikhethiwe ukuthi ngifikelele kulelo zinga lokuthi ngikwazi ukubona ukuthi hayi lo muntu unamandla, ngivele ngimtshele nje ukuthi unamandla, and yonke into yakho uzoboniswa as isikhathi sihamba. I wouldn't even lie to you and say kuzomela wenze kanje, kuzomela ukuthi wenze kanje, because of yonke into yakho mawuhamba namakhosi imfihlakalo. They come to you, they tell you. You will go and to other people will just tell you different stories. Bazokutshela nje into eziningi. You need to trust God. You need to be prayerful. You need to believe and open your heart mawukhuleka. That's how ufinyelela emazulwini. Then bese ke uyambulelwa ngempilo yakho. You are leadership. Mawufika endaweni nje unesithunzi. Like I say, you're someone who's lovable. You know, they are very much protective, and they want you to listen at all times. Ngesa sonke isikhathi uyawalalela, ba nomthetho. So angifuna ukukhuluma okuningi. You know, because of imfihlakalo bakwethu, imfihlakalo. So pray and understand ukuthi yonke into uzovezelwa ngesikhathi. You don't have to rush your journey. uNkulunkulu uyasithanda, amakhosi amahle amakhulu amadala ayasithanda, and they are very much patient. Amakhehla amakhulu amakhehla amadala. As I'm talking about amakhosi, I'm just feeling all these goosebumps. But understand that you will Google your life, you will go up and down. Ulufunisela ngempilo yakho, kodwa ekugcineni ibona bazuza kuwena ngesikhathi bakuchazele yonke into. You don't have to, they are not general. Angeke baze kube generally so, because of if singabeka abantu abahamba namakhosi la, they will share their different journeys and experiences. I love you so much, guys. Akubo bumbano nozwana nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu. Have a beautiful weekend.